Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can put macros on left click for the Razer Synapse 3. Now, basically, if you download the Razer Synapse application and just connect it with your mouse, it will then look something like this inside the macro setting. Now, the reason why your left click is grayed out is because of accidental miss input. So if our left click is basically programmed to another button, it will unable or we are now unable to basically use our mouse normally. So in order to make sure or in order to use the left click macros, the first thing that you want to do is to just program your left click into something else. So maybe you want to program your left click into the mouse button 4, button 5, scroll down, or any button that you want to. Right after having access to different buttons for our left click, we are now able to program our left click the way we want to. So this is just a safety measure for the users accidentally making changes with their left clicks. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.